Ladies and gentlemen, do you know how you dance waltz? You take like this and you dance. Ladies and gentlemen, so today is just a small work here. Well, small work, it's not small, but we are trying to make here a metallic workshop. In this case, we are not in need to manufacture everything in the other workshop that you probably saw in some videos, you know. I just want to manufacture everything here. Like this, we can work metal. We got a trouble with the electricity. I don't know why, because we plugged the plasma cutter and the welding machine, the small welding machine, just here. I've got 3 phases, and the power was too high or something, so we got an error message and everything cut completely. You can call the company only between like 8 and 5. You cannot, and they take two hours break in the middle of the day, so we could not restore the electricity because it was too late. Well, we were already closed, so I will have to do it tomorrow, but at least in the beginning it was functioning. It was working until it cut. So, well, let's see. Now we are going to the other workshop to finish some job that we have to do there. So I'm here with my partner, who is Eric, that you saw on the video. And you know, now we are going there. Let's see how it will be. In all cases, I have some hours during the night for sure, because then he will take the road. That's all. Ladies and gentlemen, first a question. What do construction workers and cheating spouses have in common? Well, they are both home wreckers. Well, so today I won't be much here. Nicola will do some work here. Finally, we managed to fix the electricity. We increased the power that arrives here. It took us a couple of days. Finally, you know, everything works here now. So Nicola will be there. You will see also Noemi, who will do a scooter. She's already doing it. You will see it later. So just try to enjoy.